Again, to determine if a function, this function 2x minus 3 is differentiable, this is differentiable at x equals c. Okay, to determine if this is differentiable at x equals c, ang kailangan ninyong gawin ay first find, okay, hanapin ang kanyang derivative, find its derivative, and second, evaluate the derivative at x equals c. Okay, so dapat ang derivative ay defined sa value ni x. Now, in finding the derivative of a function, again, ito yung ginagamit natin, the delta method. Okay, and this is equal to the limit of f of delta of x plus x minus f of x, okay, divided by delta of x as delta of x approaches 0. Again, our function here is this function, so the derivative of that function is the limit of so our function is 2x minus 3. So by substituting in delta of x plus x, we will have 2 times delta of x plus x minus 3. Okay, so we substituted delta of x plus x sa ating function na f of x equals 2x minus 3, and our function is f of x, and that is 2x minus 3 minus 2x minus 3 divided by delta of x, okay, as delta of x approaches 0. So by simplifying the numerator, by first distributing the 2 here, so our numerator will become 2 delta x plus 2 delta x. Okay, so distributing 2 minus 3, and this one by distributing this, okay, the invisible negative 1 here, so we will have negative 2x plus 3 divided by delta of x, okay, as delta of x approaches 0. Looking at the numerator, we have like terms at the numerator, and these are 2x, negative 2x, and positive 2x, so they are opposite. So therefore, once simplified, that will become 0. Okay, and also we have a like terms here, that is the constants negative 3 and positive 3, so they are opposite. So therefore, magiging 0 ito once na isi-simplify. So this expression now will become 2 delta of x over delta of x. Okay, as delta of, okay, so copy lang natin yung dun sa limit. Now, looking at this expression, pwede pa nating i-simplify, okay, by cancelling out delta of x sa numerator and delta of x sa denominator. Okay, so the derivative now of our function is equal to the limit of 2 as delta of x approaches 0. Now, limit of a constant is simply the constant. Okay, so the derivative of our function is 2. Now, evaluating this at x equals c, actually it will always equal to 2. Okay, so we will be having a horizontal line, so therefore define ang ating derivative at x equals c. Okay, because any value of c, okay, the equation of the pag-evaluate natin yung derivative ay will always y equals 2. Okay, magiging y equals 2 pa rin. So therefore, since define ang derivative sa x equals c, the function f of x equals 2x minus 3, okay, is differentiable at x equals c.